Okay, so in this video we're going to be having a look at question 13 on the WJC additional maths paper from June 2015. So in this question we are going to find the equation of the tangent. So that's the first thing we need to be looking at, is the equation of a tangent. Now the equation of a tangent, because a tangent is a straight line, we need to use the formula y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. Now in order to use this, we need to know two bits of information. The firstly is the gradient, or because of the way we're doing it this time, dy by dx. The second is the coordinates of a point that lies on the line. Now the only thing we've got at the moment, we've got an x value. So looking at what we need the gradient. So we've got an expression for y. We can find the gradient by looking at dy by dx. So my y is 2x squared minus 8x. So my gradient, dy by dx, is going to be, well, the gradient of this first one, or the derivative of this first one, is going to be 2 lots of the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, so that is 4x. And then minus 8 multiplied by the derivative of x, which is just 1, so that's just minus 8. Okay, so we now have an expression for the gradient. We've also got an expression for y, and just so happens that they're the two values that we're trying to work out. The m represents this gradient, and one of the y's that we need to find out, the y1, can be found by substituting into here. So we need to look at what happens to both of these expressions when x is 3. So let's see. When x equals 3, then y is going to be 2 lots of 3 squared minus 8 threes. So that's going to be 2 lots of 9, 18, take away 24, so negative 6. Double check that just in case I've made a silly mistake in my calculations. Oh, and my dy by dx, which is 4x minus 8, is going to be 4 threes, which is 12, take away 8. X is 3, y is negative 6, and I know my group back up here. So I'm just going to cordon these off. So I'm just going to cordon these off in a box, so they're separate. And I'm going to substitute the values in here. So I get y minus negative 6 equals the gradient m, so that's 4 lots of x minus 3. Now the question asks you to put it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So let's get it in that form. So I get y plus 6 equals, expanding the bracket, is 4x minus 12. So I'm going to take 4x off both sides, which will leave with negative 4x, plus y, and I'm going to add 12 to both sides, which will give me plus 18 equals 0. So that is now in the format that they want. Now you could have a very similar version of this, but with different signs. So 4x minus y minus 18 equals 0, or with the equals 0 there, works exactly the same way, no problem at all.